Today we will be making flatbread. This is a fairly simple recipe using just 3 ingredients. You will need: first, pour flour and baking powder in a mixing bowl and stir.
Next, pour yogurt into a bowl and stir until it's dough-like.
After, sprinkle flour onto a board and knead the dough, then roll it out until flat like a pancake. Next, put the dough into a pan and flip until ready.
Next, put it down and carefully put it onto a plate. And if you want, you can put it with other toppings.
This can also be made in gluten-free ingredients. Ingredients: 200 grams gluten-free self-raising flour, 225 millimeters dairy-free yogurt, half a teaspoon of gluten-free baking powder.
Mix all the ingredients in a bowl to make a dough.
Turn the dough out onto a lightly floured board and knead for 1 minute.
Break the dough in half and shape each piece into a circle using a rolling pin.
Cook each flatbread over a high-medium heat in a dry frying pan until golden, then turn over and cook on the other side.
Serve warm with your choice of vegetables, carrots and cucumber sticks or salad of your choice.
You can eat this cold and hot. And those are the ingredients for normal and gluten-free flatbread. And after that,
We all made a decision and we all enjoyed them.
I hope you enjoyed making them too.
Bye!